Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to see YouTube Wrapped. Step 1. Know where YouTube Wrapped lives. First, here is the key thing. YouTube Wrapped is available inside YouTube Music, not the regular YouTube app. Step 2. Install or open YouTube Music. Go to the App Store, then search for YouTube Music and install YouTube Music if you don't have it. Open the app and sign in with the same Google account you use on YouTube. Step 3. Update the app. Make sure YouTube Music is fully updated. Wrapped 1. So if you are using an old version. Step 4. Find the recap banner. On the home screen, look for a banner that says your recap or 2024 recap. Step 5. Use the profile menu. If you don't see the banner, tap on your profile. Select your recap from the menu. Step 6. Check eligibility. To see a wrapped, you need enough listing history. If you don't use YouTube Music much, the recap may not appear. Step 7. Share your wrapped. Once it opens, swipe through your stars, tap share to post your YouTube wrapped on social media. And that's how to see your YouTube wrapped on iPhone. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.